How to get card evolution in Clash Royale. I will show you how to enhance your Clash Royale gameplay with card evolution. Let's dive into how can you unlock and utilize the existing feature. Let's open the Clash Royale application. You have to achieve King Tower level 7. Card evolution becomes accessible once your King Tower reaches level 7. Participate in battle and earn experience point to level up your King Tower. You have to identify card evolution. Not all cards have evolution capabilities. Check your card collection for card marked with the special evolution icon indicating their ability to evolve. Play an evolved card a specific number of times within a match to trigger its evolution. Once the requirement is met, the next deployment of the card will be activated. It's evolved. Evolved card offers enhanced ability or stats, providing a strategic advantage. Plan your deck and gameplay to maximize the potential of evolved cards. And that's it. You are now equipped to unlock and utilize card evolution in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.